Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see the meanings of Gadya, all the lessons. First we will see Peshevar. Peshevar meanings Shabdarth. We are revising the Shabdarth of all the lessons for the exam. Peshevar, workman. Peshevar, workman. Cheese thing. Anaj grain, तरकारी vegetable, आदि etc. खेत field, जोतना to plow, पानी सींचना to irrigate, फसल harvest, बीज seed, बोना to sow, लादना to load, खरीदना to buy, पैदा करना to produce, राज मेसन, banana to make, बढ़ई carpenter, लकड़ी wood, किवाड़ door, मदद करना to help, किसान farmer, कपास cotton, धागा thread, जुलाहा weaver, खरगा loom, बुनाना to weave, के अलावा in addition to, बर्तन vessel, आभूषण jewel, सोनार goldsmith, कंगन bangle, जंजीर chain, अंगूठी finger ring, चांदी silver, थाली plate, लोहार blacksmith. We'll go to the next lesson, vitamin, and we'll see the shabdarth for that. तंदुरुस्ती health, बीमारी disease, कमजोर weak, हड्डी bone, खून blood, मस्तिष्क brain, शरीर body, सेवन करना to have, to have, consume, जरूरत necessity, मिलना to obtain. Next we will see the next lesson, Kanyakumari. We'll see the shabdarth of that lesson. Shore, tip, Sangam, confluence, आपस में mutually, समुद्र तट beach, सूर्योदय sunrise, दृश्य scene, चट्टान rock, स्मारक भवन memorial place, सुविधा facility, मूर्ति statue, Videsh foreign country, Videsh foreign country. Lahar wave, Chandroday moonrise, Chandroday moonrise. Now boat, Bajar market. Sheep shell, Disha direction, mandap. We will see the next lesson, Amara school. We'll see the Shabdarth of that lesson. Kacha classroom, Kacha classroom. Khana food, Padhai education. Fulwari a flower garden. Chutti holiday. Pyar affection. We'll see the next lesson. Paltu जानवर शब्दार्थ. जानवर animal. लड़ाई war. होशियार efficient. Baukna to bark. Next we will see the next lesson. Shabdarth. Chalo बाजार चले. Ugly next. किराने की provision store. दुकान shop. किराने की दुकान provision store. किराने की दुकान provision store. इमली tamarind. नमक salt. सब्जी vegetable. साबुन soap. कतार road. पतलून pant. साड़ियाँ sarees. अलग-अलग separate. मंजिल story. बर्तन vessel. बिकना to be sold. Next we will see the lesson Mahatma Gandhi. Shabdarth. पुत्र सन. कानून की पढ़ाई law education. प्रतिज्ञाएं promises. पराई औरत other woman. निभाई fulfilled. वकालत law profession. Mode turning point. भेदभाव discrimination. अहिंसा non-violence. आंदोलन movement. उपाधि title. आजीवन whole life. So we have seen all the Shabdarth of the lessons Gadya 1 to 7. Go through the Shabdarth. Practice writing the Shabdarth without any mistake. Practice it. Thank you.